Dear students, welcome to the next chapter, acids, bases and salts. So it's a very interesting chapter. Let me first tell you what are the different things we're going to learn in this chapter. We're going to learn, guys, what are acids, what are the different types of acids, the various properties of acids. Same thing for base. What are bases, the different types of base and the various properties of base, various types of salts, their preparation and application. Then we're going to learn, guys, the concept of indicators. How do we check whether substance is an acid or a base? And we'll also learn how to find the strength of an acid or a base. So these are the various things we're going to learn in this chapter. So it's a very interesting chapter. I hope you like it. So let's begin, guys. So the first thing is, what are acid, base and salts? There are basically three important types of compounds which are used widely in our day-to-day life. I repeat, what are acid, base and salts? There are three important types of compounds which are used in our day-to-day life. So let me take some examples, guys. So this over here is a picture of a stomach. Now, guys, for proper digestion of food, a substance is secreted in our stomach known as hydrochloric acid. So hydrochloric acid is an acid which helps in the digestion of food and is absolutely essential. Without that, food cannot be digested. Is this clear? Next, guys, this over here is a picture of baking soda. This is basically a base which is used for baking your breads, cakes, etc. So acid, base. Salt, this over here is common salt which we use in our day-to-day cooking. Now, guys, salt is the most important ingredient in any food. Imagine having food without salt. Is this clear? So acid, base and salt. Just a very basic introduction. Let's first read this much, guys. Acid, base and salts are three important groups of chemical compounds or chemical substances which are useful to us in many ways. For example, our stomach makes an acid, hydrochloric acid, which is necessary for the digestion of food. Baking soda, chemical name sodium hydrogen carbonate, used in baking bread, is a base. Whereas common salt, the chemical name is sodium chloride, used in cooking food, is a salt. Is this clear? Some of the acid, base and salts occur in nature, whereas other base and salts are man-made. Is this clear? So I hope the basic introduction is clear. Now, guys, not every substance is an acid, base or salt. For example, water, it is neither an acid, nor a base, nor a salt. Similarly, glucose, neither an acid, nor a base, nor a salt. Similarly, sugarcane and cane sugar, neither an acid, nor a base, nor a salt. So is this clear, guys? So acid, base and salts are three important types of compounds, but not every substance can be classified as acid, base or salt. Is this clear? So see, there are, however, many other chemical compounds such as water, glucose, cane sugar, urea, etc., which are neither acids nor bases nor salts. Is this clear? So now the question is, guys, if I give you a substance and I ask you, is this an acid or a base? How do you find out? For that, the answer is indicator. So indicators are basically special type of chemical substances which indicate whether a substance is an acid or a base. Hence they're called indicators. And how do they indicate? By change in color. Is this clear? So we'll learn in later videos the different indicators and how they change color in acids and bases. So let's read about it. In order to find out whether a substance is an acid or base, we should first understand the meaning of the term acid-base indicator or just indicator. Indicators are special type of chemicals which are used to test whether a given substance is an acid or a base. Indicators change their color when added to a solution containing acid base. So based on the color, guys, we can figure out whether it's an acid, base or neither. Is this clear, guys? An indicator is basically a dye that changes color when put into acid or base. An indicator gives different colors in acid and base. Thus, an indicator tells us whether the substance we are testing is an acid or base by change its color. That is how an indicator works. A substance which contains an acid is said to be acidic, whereas a substance which contains a base is said to be basic. So the term acidic basic means containing acid or base. Is this clear? So we can also say that an indicator tells us whether the substance we are testing is acidic or basic by changing its color. Is this clear? Don't worry, we'll learn in detail about indicators. Is this clear? Now, guys, indicators are of two types, natural and synthetic. We'll learn both. Acid-base indicators are of two types. Natural indicators like your litmus, China rose, turmeric. Is this clear? And synthetic indicators which we make in the lab like phenolphthalein. So this over here is a picture of litmus paper and this over here is a picture of China rose plant. Is this clear? So we'll learn about this in the upcoming videos. So this over here, guys, was the introductory video. So we have understood what acid, base, salts are. Not every substance is acid, base, salt. And how do we check whether substance is acid or base? With the help of indicators. So now in the upcoming videos, we're going to study all these indicators in detail, how they work, and what are the different kind of colors they give in acidic or basic medium. So I hope the introduction is clear.